Dear students, today we will do 1.3 exercise, and first question is prove that root 5 is irrational. I taught you yesterday this question with the help of the theorem root 2 is irrational. So I told you to do it yourself, and I taught you how to replace 2 from that theorem and to include 5. Now the second question is prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Dear students, in this exercise all these questions are similar, right? Now we have already proved with the help of theorem that square root of any prime number is irrational. So root 5 is irrational, we have proved yesterday with the theorem. Now we are going to apply the theorem on these questions. All the questions are similar and we will do all the questions in 3 parts. And what is the procedure? That I'll explain you. Now the question is question number 2, prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. So as I taught you that to prove any number as irrational number, we have to apply rational number definition only. हमें rational number की ही definition apply करनी पड़ती है to check whether the number is rational or irrational. So let us assume again, let 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. हम लेके चल लेते हैं that it is rational, and as you all know, if this is rational, that means it must satisfy all the 3 points of a rational number. And what are 3 points? First of all, it can be written in a by b form, means fraction. Second point, where a and b are integers, a and b are integers. And third point, denominator, that is b, is not equal to 0. So in this way you have to write all the 3 points of the rational definition. And in the theorem we have used the word coprime, about which I taught you yesterday, and now we are using integers because this is the question. So now next step, आपको बेटा first step हमारा ये रहेगा, this is our first step. If the question comes for 3 marks, you will get 1 mark for this step. इस step के लिए आपको 1 mark मिलेगा. Now for second step आपको क्या करना है? The number which is rational. There are 3 numbers we can see in this part: 3, 2, root 5, right? And as we know that square root of any prime number is irrational with the help of theorem, तो हमें पता है रूट 5 इरेशनल है. बट 3 and 2 आर इंटीजर्स, और कोई भी इंटीजर रैशनल नंबर होता है, वी नो. तो अब हमारा स्टेप क्या रहेगा? हम इन क्वेश्चंस में स्क्वायर रूट वाली टर्म को एक साइड रखना है, एंड वी हैव टू टेक द रिमेनिंग टर्म्स ऑन राइट हैंड साइड, राइट? इफ़ द स्क्वायर रूट टर्म, दैट मीन्स 2 root 5 इज़ पॉजिटिव, तो हम इसे यहीं रखेंगे. रिमेनिंग टर्म्स विल गो टू द राइट हैंड साइड. If it is negative, then we'll make it positive by taking it towards right hand side. तो कैसे? We'll do it stepwise. Now this is the second step. First of all, we'll take this 3 to other side. इसका अपना साइन क्या है? प्लस, एंड यहाँ भी प्लस है. तो if it is plus, when it goes to other side it will become minus. So it will become a minus b minus 3, because plus 3 is there, it will become minus. Now it is getting multiplied, ये मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, तो उधर जाकर क्या हो जाएगा? ये डिवाइड. सो विल राइट रूट 5 इज इक्वल टू a बाई b माइनस 3 होल डिवाइडेड बाई 2. रिमेंबर स्टूडेंट्स, या तो आप इसका एलसीएम लें पहले, इधर यू टेक द एलसीएम लाइक दिस, b denominator is same, numerator will become same. So dear students, this step can be done like this also. First take the LCM, b, denominator b is there, write down b. If denominator is same, numerator will also become same. Minus 3 into b is 3b. Now we can cross multiply 2 is getting multiplied, we can take it in the division. A minus 3b divided by 2b. या तो हम इस 2 को whole divided by 1/2 लें. If we do not want to take LCM, we can do it in this way. Or if we can take the LCM, first take the LCM and then 2 is multiplying, here it will become divided. बट अगर आप ये ब्रैकेट नहीं यूज़ करेंगे और 2 सिर्फ ऐसे लिख देंगे, योर हाफ मार्क्स विल बी डिडक्टेड, द कैलकुलेशन विल बिकम wrong. So I hope it is clear to you. So this is your second step, dear students, in which we have separated the irrational part and the rational part. Now root 5 by theorem, it is irrational. By theorem it is irrational because root 2 is irrational. That is the theorem. That means square root of any prime number. And because all these are integers, 1 is integer, 2 is integer, a and b are integers, 3 is integers, means if the combination of integers is there, that will give us an integer. That means it is rational. Now you tell me, can an irrational number is equal to rational? क्या irrational rational के equal हो सकता है? No, they can't be equal. वो इक्वल नहीं हो सकते. और हमारे यहाँ पर क्या आ गया? इरेशनल रैशनल के इक्वल आ गए. सो वी विल राइट दिस इज़ द, नाउ दिस इज़ द थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. दिस इज़ द contradiction. This is the contradiction to our supposition. This is the contradiction to our supposition because now we will write because root 5 is irrational. Root 5 is irrational and the right hand side, write down all the terms included. 1, 2, 3, the numbers which are there in right hand side, a, b, a, b, all these are integers, and if all these are integers, then the combination, this implies the right hand side, either you write this part or this. This implies a minus 3 by 2b is rational. तो हमने क्या लिखा? बिकॉज इरेशनल इज इक्वल टू रैशनल, विच इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. यहाँ एक लाइन ज़रूर लिखनी है, विच इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. A rational number can't be equal to an irrational number, which is not possible. So this is the contradiction to our supposition because root 5 is irrational and the terms included in right hand side all are integers, therefore the combination is rational. Hence, write down the question. Hence, 3 plus 2 root 5, 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. Irrational, sorry. So let us revise it once again. Prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Dear students, this is the first part. For that much part, you will get 1 mark. 1 mark for this part you will get in the exam. Then 1 mark for this calculation. In the calculation, what you have to do? You have to keep the square root term on left hand side and remaining terms on right hand side. And the term which is multiplied, that should be divided by the whole. Either in this way divided by whole or this. But by the theorem, as the square root is irrational and right hand side is rational, so which is not possible. एक irrational number rational के equal नहीं हो सकता. So this is the contradiction to our supposition because root 5 is rational and because all these are integers, so this is rational. Hence 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. Now in the same way, we'll do the remaining questions. Dear students, for these parts also, we will use the same language. आपको लैंग्वेज सेम रखनी है, नथिंग इज़ डिफरेंट. सो आई विल टेल यू हाउ.